Hello guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, smart way to crack testing interviews. Now, today's question is, what is equivalence partitioning? So, a short answer is, it's a testing technique where input data is divided into valid and invalid partitions. For example, assume similar behavior for all values in one partition. Like for age input 18 to 60, valid partition is 18 to 60, invalid is less than 18 or greater than 60. Reduce number of test cases while increasing coverage, prevents redundancy and saves time. So learn smarter, not harder with Java Python Interview Hub. Subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.